The government of Saudi Arabia is investing heavily in reducing dependency on the crude oil economy by building internal capabilities, infrastructure, and creating a healthy and attractive environment for increased global investment in the mobility sector of the country. Frost Sullivan analysis shows that there are close to 8 million passenger vehicles active in the country, with about 650,000 new vehicles being added every year. The cumulative value of the Saudi automotive aftermarket is estimated at $4.2 billion, expected to be growing at a CAGR of about 2.9% to reach to about $5.07 billion by 2028. Saudi Arabia alone contributes to about 40% of the overall GCC aftermarket industry. With brands like Lucid setting up vehicle manufacturing facilities in Saudi Arabia, as well as the indigenous electric mobility brand Seer, the concept of made-in KSA vehicles is expected to become a reality in the years to come. Expected cumulative manufacturing capacity of these brands is estimated at 150,000 vehicles by 2026 and 300,000 vehicles by 2030.
It is this exponential growth that Frost & Sullivan has been contributing to in its own way, by working with family businesses, OEMs, government agencies, and other companies associated with the mobility sector of Saudi Arabia. With this extensive knowledge of the industry practices, we assist our client in optimizing their revenue potential, logically approach network optimization, assist decision-making for diversification or business enhancement, formulate targeted go-to-market strategies, as well as map the industry and its key influencers and stakeholders. We are extremely excited to be part of this magnificent growth journey of Saudi Arabia, and we look forward to your interest in our efforts going forward.